Hey guys, here I am with the brand new Phi Beat 2 Lite. So what we have here is a Harmonica 43 concertina bag that comes with the unit. I've ordered mine in the lovely lime green. Ooh, looks like we've got some goodies here. So standard repair kit. And a mini windsock. That's pretty cool. Take that. A lovely Phi t-shirt. Just very nice soft material actually. I'll definitely be wearing that. Thanks guys. Alrighty, so let's have a look as we unfold here. Okay, so let's start with the front end. So inside the bag you've got a riser pouch there, and here they are, the R07 risers. Let's have a look at these. Alright, so on here, looks like a magnet. There we are, just a little magnet system with a clip. So just pull it, that's nice actually. Handles, pretty basic affair there. So the lines are semi-sheathed, the upper ends are unsheathed, and I do like that you've got a swivel here on the brake. That's nice and handy too. So that's the usual 3-liner, except you've got a floating B here. You do have a choice of the standard risers, or these which are known as the R07s, which have pulleys on every sort of transition point, with the exception to ceramic on the brakes. Just got the little ceramic loop there, and nice bright orange there on your Stabilo line. That was a little bit of a criticism from the first one. Looks like they've listened to people's concerns, and that really stands out nicely now. Alright, so the difference between the Beat 2 and the Beat 2 Lite is essentially the materials that they're made of. The Beat 2 Lite saves you about 900 grams on the standard Beat, and it's using the Porcher Skytex 27.2 material, which compared to the Skytex Classic gives you about 3 times better longevity in terms of porosity. When I first started looking at the advertising material for this wing, I was a little bit skeptical about the new design. I love the old Beat design with the sort of zigzag, but we've got these slightly more sophisticated patterns here. But in the flesh, it looks quite racy actually, so yeah, I am pleasantly surprised. So that concludes my first impressions of the wing, guys. Hope that helps for any of you that are thinking about getting the new Beat and what it actually looks like in the flesh. I've got a wild turkey over here. Get away. Get away. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Just a quick overview of the new Phi Beat 2 Lite. If you've got any questions or you'd like to see anything up a bit closer, let me know in the comments. Hopefully I'll get to fly this thing soon, because coming into winter, there's not a lot of flying opportunities where I am here in Australia, but I'll keep you posted. That's it for now. Stay safe. This is Danger Dave, signing out.